Reverend, here in Stockton, California. I was given one of your brochures, tracts, and I wanted to get a copy from my church and a distribution in our city as well of all of your glow, excuse me, all of your glow tracts, if that's possible. I would appreciate one selection of all of your available tracks and possibly a catalog if available, and so I could order some of these for my church, and I would appreciate that. It's Reverend Holston. Thank you. Have a good day.
Good afternoon. My name is Robert. I came across one of your pocket signs called Sign of the Times, Dead Men Don't Talk, and I'm really, it was fantastic. And then I seen that you had the stuff about the Bible study plan. I would like to do that, and was wondering if I could get some more of these pocket signs so I could pass them out at my church and to other people. So if you can give me a call back, I'd appreciate it.
Hi, my name is Pastor Vic. You can call me at any time. I'd like to request more material on your ministry. I got some Bible tracts I picked up at the train tracks, and I just wanted to follow up on that. Thank you very much. God bless you in our Lord Jesus Christ. Bye-bye.